Guess the sound. The microphone just fell. Hang on, keep that up. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a video called Guess the Sound, where we guess the sound. And here's the first sound. Speaking of guess the sound. And the sound will play in 3, 2, 1, sound. So guys, if you didn't know what that sound was, it was me typing on my keyboard. So now, since you know that one, let's reveal the next sound in 3, 2, 1, sound. So guys, if you don't know what that sound was, it was me drinking out of my merch mug. Next sound in 3, 2, 1. Now guys, that sound was me clapping like this. And I don't know what that woohoo sound was. I just was outside my window. Oh my god, there's some weird guy in my window. Never mind guys, that was fake. But yeah. So next, actually, next sound is gonna be the last sound, and it's gonna be difficult. Only 99% of the people will not be able to know what this sound is. So yeah, next sound. So guys, if you listen very carefully, you'll be able to tell that that was me scooping coffee grains, or whatever you want it to be, dirt, shoveling sand, getting some sort of powder out of a container into a coffee mug, which I didn't actually put into a coffee mug. I just scooped up the coffee grains many times, and that was the sound. So, bye guys! Oh, why is it still recording? Beep that out, beep, 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 beep it up, beep it up. Bye guys!